Welcome to the Synergy Solution. The Chesapeake Public Schools has partnered with EduPoint and purchased Synergy to manage our student data. Synergy is a powerful information system that will keep track of student information as it relates to health, discipline, student schedules, academic courses, grades, attendance, test history, parental contact information, and other pertinent program data. In this presentation, we will focus on setting up an account and logging into the ParentVUE portal. So, what is the ParentVUE portal? To help your children get the most out of school, we recognize that parents want day-to-day insight into each child's academic experience. With the Synergy ParentVUE web portal, parents can access near real-time information on assignments, grades, attendance, class schedules, class websites, and more. ParentVUE is replacing Edline in the Chesapeake Public Schools this year. One question frequently asked is, do I have to sign in at each school if I have one child in an elementary school and another child at a secondary school? The answer is no. ParentVUE offers a single sign-on in order for parents to view school information for all children assigned to the ParentVUE account, regardless of the grade level or school of attendance. Therefore, you may receive the same code for all of your children, but only need to activate your account one time in order to view each child's specific account information. On September 17, 2015, students received information to take home to parents or guardians about the ParentVUE portal. The next few slides will demonstrate how simple it is to activate your personal account. In order to begin, you must have your ParentVUE activation letter, which contains your activation key. As previously mentioned, this information was sent home from your child's school and must be on hand to complete the activation process. First, open any web browser. Next, type in the provided URL. Then, once the ParentVUE access screen appears, select the link that says, I am a parent. Next, you will be provided with a screen that asks you to either log in or activate your account. Please select the option that says, I have an activation key and need to create my account. You will then be prompted to complete 3 specific steps. In step 1, the division's privacy statement will appear. Please read the privacy statement and click I accept in order to agree to the statement and to continue setting up your ParentVUE account. Next, you will be asked to enter your first name, last name, and the activation key that was provided in the activation key letter. Please note that the first name and last name must match the information recorded in Synergy exactly. Once you have added the information, as it is listed in your activation key letter, please click the button on the screen that says Continue to Step 3. Finally, you will need to create a username and password. Please be sure to enter a unique username. An error message will appear if someone is already using the name you have selected, and thus you should create another username. You should then enter a password and re-enter it in the confirm password space provided. The password must be a minimum of 6 characters in length and consist of numbers and letters, but not special characters. Please note that the password is case sensitive. As a friendly reminder, it is important to write down your password and place it in a secure location. Next, you will be required to enter the primary email address where you would like your ParentVUE updates to be sent. If you do not have an email account, one may be easily obtained by creating an account through any free email provider. Once all the tasks on the screen have been completed, please click Complete Account Activation and you should be ready to log into your ParentVUE account. To log into your ParentVUE account, first open any web browser. Next, type in the provided URL. Then, when the attached screen appears, please select the tab that says I am a parent, and the ParentVUE account access screen will open. Once the login screen appears, please enter your username and password and click the Login tab. Once you have successfully logged into the ParentVUE portal, you are ready to participate in the Synergy ParentVUE experience. If you should have any trouble activating your ParentVUE account or getting your activation code to work, please contact your child's school and they will assist you accordingly. Thank you and have a great school year.